Have you ever opened Gmail and suddenly seen the warning, "Your Google storage is full," even though you already deleted hundreds of emails? And then when you check your inbox, nothing seems large enough to be causing the problem. This happens to millions of users because Gmail storage is shared across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. And many large emails stay hidden inside folders you rarely check. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly find and remove hidden large emails in Gmail so you can free up storage in minutes. The best part is that you won't need any third-party tools or risky steps, just a few simple Gmail search tricks. What this video will fix. In this guide, we're going to solve one of the most common Gmail problems in 2026. Running out of storage even when your inbox looks clean. The real issue is that large attachments, archived messages, and hidden folders can quietly consume storage without you noticing. I'll show you how to identify the largest emails in your account, how to locate attachments taking up space, and how to clean them safely without deleting important messages. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to reclaim space in your Gmail account and prevent storage warnings from appearing again. Why Gmail storage fills up so fast. Many users assume Gmail storage only comes from their inbox, but that's not how Google storage actually works. Your 15 gigabytes of free storage is shared between Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. This means a large video in Google Photos or files in Drive can trigger a Gmail storage warning even if your email inbox looks normal. On top of that, Gmail attachments like PDFs, videos, and high-resolution images often stay buried inside old messages that are hard to find manually. Another common reason storage fills up is that deleted emails still sit inside the trash folder for up to 30 days. Until they are permanently removed, they continue to count toward your storage limit. Many users delete emails but never empty the trash, which means the storage space is never actually recovered. Step 1. Find large emails using Gmail search. The fastest way to find hidden large emails is by using Gmail's built-in search filters. At the top of Gmail, click inside the search bar and type larger:10M. This command shows all emails larger than 10 megabytes. Immediately, Gmail will display the messages that are consuming the most storage. You can also adjust this search to find even larger emails by typing larger:20M or larger:50M. This is a powerful trick because large attachments are usually the biggest storage offenders. Instead of scrolling through thousands of emails manually, Gmail instantly highlights the messages that matter most. Once these emails appear, review them carefully and delete any that you no longer need. Attachments such as presentations, videos, or duplicate files are often safe to remove. Step 2. Find emails with attachments. Another useful Gmail search command is #attachment. When you type this into the search bar, Gmail will display all emails containing attachments. Since attachments take up more storage than regular emails, this helps you quickly identify messages that may be using unnecessary space. After running this search, look through older emails and check whether the attachments are still important. Many users keep files in Gmail that they already saved elsewhere, which means the email copy is no longer necessary. Removing these duplicate files can free up a surprising amount of storage. You can also combine search filters to narrow down results even further. For example, typing has :attachment. Larger:10 megabytes will show only emails with large attachments, making cleanup even faster. Step 3. Check the sent folder. Most people focus only on their inbox, but the sent folder can often contain some of the largest attachments in your Gmail account. When you send files like videos, reports, or photos to someone, Gmail stores a copy in the sent folder as well. Over time, these sent attachments can accumulate and use a significant amount of storage. To check this, open the sent folder and use the same larger:10 megabyte search filter. You'll likely find emails you sent months or years ago that still contain large files. If those files are already saved elsewhere, you can safely delete the email copy to recover space. Cleaning the sent folder is one of the easiest ways to reduce Gmail storage without affecting your inbox. Step 4. Empty the trash folder. Deleting emails alone does not immediately free storage in Gmail. When you delete a message, it moves to the trash folder, where it stays for up to 30 days. During this time, it still counts toward your storage limit. To permanently free the space, open the trash folder and click Empty Trash Now. This removes the emails permanently from your account and immediately releases the storage they were using. Many users see a large storage increase right after performing this step. If your storage is nearly full, Emptying the trash folder should always be one of the first things you do. Step 5. Check spam and promotions. Another hidden area that consumes storage is the spam folder. Spam emails can sometimes include attachments or large images, and these messages accumulate quickly if they aren't deleted regularly. Open the spam folder and remove any messages you don't need. Similarly, the Promotions tab often contains newsletters and marketing emails with large graphics. While each message may seem small individually, thousands of them can add up over time. Select and delete older promotional emails to reclaim more storage. These folders are often overlooked, but can make a noticeable difference when cleaning Gmail storage. Step 6. Check Google Drive and Photos. Because Gmail storage is shared with other Google services, it's important to check Google Drive and Google Photos as well. A large video or backup file in Drive may be the real reason Gmail reports that your storage is full. Open Google Drive and sort files by size to see which ones take up the most space. In Google Photos, review large videos or duplicate images that might be consuming storage unnecessarily. Removing or downloading and deleting these files can quickly free several gigabytes of space. Cleaning these services together with Gmail ensures your entire Google storage stays under control. Final storage check. After deleting large emails and attachments, return to Gmail and refresh the page. It's also a good idea to repeat these cleanup steps every few months. To recap, Gmail storage problems usually come from hidden large emails, attachments, and shared storage across Google services. By using Gmail search filters like larger:10M and has: attachment, you can quickly find the emails that are consuming the most space. Cleaning the sent folder, emptying trash, and reviewing spam or promotions can also free significant storage. If this video helped you fix your Gmail storage issue, make sure to like the video and subscribe to TechFix Guides for more simple, step-by-step tech fixes. And in the comments, tell me how much storage you recovered after cleaning your Gmail account.